Ngithi ngiyavula la kunuka isikhunta kumuzi wakhe angazi ukuthi kuzothiwani but egcinweni osuku uyazi ukuthi thina sicabanga ukuthi umuzi ungathi yabona labantu labehleli khona kunuka kahle kodwa emzini kaFlo kunuka isikhutha ilona ishwa ke la ngempela lelo isebenziseni ke le video niyifake ku TikTok niyifake ku Facebook izonenzela imali sonke sibe nemali sijabule uyazi kuye kusho indoda lapha inganalyze ithi umseleko urongo nje ngithi as long as uzokhola amaphela inyanga because uFacebook senzele lo sebenzisane le content ningayenzi iphutha lokuthi ningahlupheka kudliwa ningalamba kudliwa hayi bafowethu ngeke ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ke ngigulile ukugula kungivezele izinto uyabona nje ngasuka umuntu la athi uzongibonisa uyadlala mina ukugula kungibonisa izinto ezinkulu kakhulu.
Hi everybody, Sadman and welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. You know, every time I see a video from Omosamselego, I check the dates, number one, and I'm like, okay, is this a new video? Did somebody repost an old video? Did he repost the old video? Because I'm thinking this is a very, very busy man, okay? Businesses and everything, people always are telling us this man is busy, he's working, he's making millions, billions, okay? He does not have time for some short videos for Instagram, okay? But Mosamselego always finds time to make a video, especially when social media is mad at him for something, okay? Season 9 has not been a good season for Mosamselego. People are disappointed at the way that he's handling his wife. His wives are, they all look miserable. Even Ubusisiwe, Mosamselego's wife, my time, my moment, my even her, she does not look happy. So every time I see a video, Mosamselego, I have little nyana hope this man is coming out here to say, listen, you guys, I understand how much you guys love the show. You know, I understand how much you love the show. I understand how much you might like me. And I understand how much you love the wives, and you might not know everything that happens in my household, but from what we have shown you, I'm just coming out here to say I am sorry that I have disappointed you. I have things that now looking back, I feel like I shouldn't have said, I shouldn't have done, I should have said something different, I should have done something different. I have disappointed some people. I owe my wives apologies. This is what I need to apologize for when it comes to Bosisiwe, when it comes to Kanyo, when it comes to Mbali, when it comes to Utobile. You know, every time I say it, I'm like, yes, this is Utola a different Mosamselego on this one. The way I'm so hopeful. Haya vela fika ubaba umsele number one nje yabona kule video lena guys, I don't know, I think ubeya eMzumbe wafika kunuka isikhunta and he was like, what am I going to do? Okay, these wives don't want to come back eMzumbe, let me do a video. Ngoba kunuka isikhunta eMzumbe, okay. Konje yini isikhunta guys, it's mold. Yeah, you know how mold smells. It's kunta, it's mold. So he says that kunuka isikhunta eMzumbe. Okay, but the rest of the video, you guys, listen, even those that do not understand this, don't think that you are missing much, okay? He's just saying things like, people like to make comments on his temple, but you find that some of them are not even married. They've never even seen his temple. They were not even there when this whole thing started, but now they have an opinion and all of that. And then at the same time, he says, it's okay to have an opinion. You guys must take this video and put it on Facebook and make some money. And we are very happy that you guys are able to make money. But at the same time, Coco Flow, the vision and all of that. Yeah, Bonje, he is all over the place, the vision, all of that. You see, even the wives now, there's something that he says where he says, you know, sometimes you will think something is ours, kanti, and then a person comes and says that it's mine. Sometimes you think something is mine, but then the wife comes and says it's ours. So, things like that. And then he also talks about the fact that he was at church and the preacher was preaching, and for some reason he preached about something that's relevant to him. Guys, listen, you're not missing much, okay? He's still trying to manipulate us as the viewers, okay? Because he has been on many Facebook pages where people are posting things that are not really favoring him, and he has been expressing that he's not happy about it, okay? Musamseleng has been shady over there on Facebook, okay? He be talking about how people are trying to be relevant, okay? And I'm like, Haibo, what happened? What happened to Amos Amseleng? So I do feel like there's a pressure that he is feeling with season 9. I think people are just over seeing the mistreatment of the wives, and isikhalos kamakhumalo, especially in season 9, abantu bayasizwa, and I think people were hoping that he will come and really genuinely fix things that he messed up in previous seasons, but he's not, okay? But he did say we can take this video and put it everywhere and make money with it. And Instagram must understand it, because sometimes when you take something on Instagram and put it on YouTube and Facebook, and then they'll be striking you. So, okay, they must not strike us. The permission, the man gave us the permission. So I hope that those who don't understand Zulu, because in some places he's speaking Zulu, that you guys get the idea. It's just the typical Musamseliku that we are getting in season 9, but now it's on a video, Yes. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Like it before we're gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even strangers.
Niyithanda ukuyisho. Le nto niyicabangayo nje, yazi kusho ngisho umuntu ongaganiwe akhulume ngami, nginabafazi. Ongaganiwe nonke kazaganwe akhulume. Khona manje ke khona bathi siyamhlula isithembu. Kodwa nina nikaza nesibona isithembu siqala. Nisibone sesisebenza isithembu, abafazi sebelapha. Anizange nibone kuqalwa kwakhiwa abafazi babe khona. So igcine ngosuku uNkulunkulu akabheki isiqalo ubheka isiphetho. So siyibambe lapho umthandazo wami munye ukuthi engathi ngafika kumnikazi womuzi lo enivele lithi angimiyeka aphumule. Ngingamiyeka kanjani umuntu wayekhuluma nami engitshela ukuthi kuyoba nje kube nje angithi ngiyakubona manje phela isizathu esenza ngiluke ngikhulume njalo ngoFlow. uFlow wayengitshela ukuthi uma ngabe kufanele ube nalomuzi uwena odinga ukuthi ubekezele, makufuneka ube nalomuzi uwena odinga ukuthi uwondle. Waphinde wangichazela wathi ngeke uhambe uyoluka usebenza uyokondla uhleli la ekhaya. Namanje ngihleli kwakhe ngihleli kwakhe ngithi ngiyavula la kunuka isikhunta kumuzi wakhe, angazi ukuthi kuzothiwani, but egcineni osuku yazi ukuthi